Hello everyone, this is IT491Unit1 Recording. The Unit 1 discussion, the initial post must be at least 100 words and have at least one APA reference with in-text citation, and is due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. As a way of introducing yourself to the instructor and your peers, please post the following: your name and a description of your current position. If not employed, what are your expectations when you complete your program? How do you see yourself applying knowledge from this course? Post a photo of yourself. Project description. Describe the topic problem you are considering for your project. What was the process you used to narrow your project into something you could implement within the 8-week time frame of this course? How will this program add to your professional portfolio that will help potential employers recognize your knowledge, skills, and abilities? Respond to at least 2 other students by Sunday at 11:59. Provide feedback on the following: is the project complex enough to meet the course requirements? Can the project be completed within the 8-week term? What additional questions or recommendations do you have? Now, when you're replying, you're talking about that person's project. Include at least one open-ended question, which is a question that cannot be answered with yes or no in one of your replies. The Unit 1 assignment is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Write a proposal for your capstone project using the IT491 Week 1 assignment doc, which is attached to the Week 1 assignment. Do not delete sections of this document, but submit all of it. There are capstone ideas in that capstone file, and then this is the Week 1 assignment doc, and then you have the work log. Make sure to watch the Week 1 presentation before completing this assignment. Or it's called the Unit 1 video, sorry. Problem definition is worth 15 points. Who is the organization you are completing work for? Is it a fictional or a real company, and how large is the company? What is the problem you are addressing? Are you moving locations? Are you improving performance of existing computers? Are you expanding your services? Are you creating a new department? Are you improving security? Outcomes. What would be the desired outcome of this project? These outcomes should be measurable and specific, so they should relate to the problem. So, for instance, if you are expanding, then your outcome you would have so many additional computers, a network, whatever you're doing. And so it would be something measurable and specific. Technology solution is worth 20 points. What is the proposed solution? How do you propose to complete your project? What tools and or methodologies, network diagram, IP addressing, security technologies, virtualization, operating systems will be used to design, implement, and deliver the proposed solution? What types of resources, software, hardware, visualization techniques will you need to complete your project? Now, even though you might be using visualizations to do the project demonstration, you should still treat this like it's a real project. And when you talk about software and hardware, act like you're going to actually purchase real hardware and software, and that will make it easier for you. Objective alignment is worth 15 points. Each objective should be addressed in 1 to 2 complete sentences. So I don't want to just see one whole paragraph lumped together. I want you to do it separately so that I can tell that you're separated these out and discuss how your project meets each of these objectives. You may not start your actual project until you have my approval. Download the attached work log. This is a progressive assignment and will be submitted during week 6, so you do not have to turn it in this time. Keep the track of each time you work on the project, the day that you worked on the activity in year, month, day format. Technology research. Be sure you have included the research or technology. Research needs to include the APA-cited source. If you have a technology that you're doing and you're using a source to help, you should also cite that. Then make sure you explain what the purpose of this work is ask with respect to your project. That's all I have for this time. If you have any questions, please let me know.